Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have another Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale haul. I actually have 3 bags, but it's easier for my thumbnail to hold up 2. So yeah, I went back because I had a couple candle exchanges I wanted to make. I am making some prizes for bridal shower games. So I told you guys I'm helping to host a bridal shower and we're going to have a few games, and we wanted to get prizes for the winners of the games. So for the last shower that I made prizes for, I got Bath & Body Works stuff and I put a little note on it that said from such and such a shower to yours, and I think that's so cute. So let's just jump into it. Let's start off with candles. Actually, I am going to talk about one candle that is not from Bath & Body Works quick to get it out of the way. I did pick up this Capri Blue volcano candle, and I did want to just mention this real quickly. If you're somebody who's been interested in this candle, it's a pricey candle. This costs $30. There's a store our town recently got. It's called Altered State. If you have one of those stores, they have the Christmas colored jars on sale for $14. So I had to snag this up because I've been curious about this candle, but I heard that it didn't burn the greatest. My best friend has had several of these and has never complained about them. So, and I've always admired the scent when I go over to her home. So I had to get this for $14. It is such a nice citrusy grapefruit kind of sugary smell that you can burn year round. So I did want to quickly mention that. And I have green, like my scheme right now. By the way, I have my winter decor up. If you guys want to see a winter decor tour, give this video a thumbs up or leave a comment and I would be happy to do that. Like all my Christmas stuff is down and now it's decorated for winter. But this will match that. So anyways, I did want to quickly mention that. Now into Bath & Body Works. The 2 candle exchanges, I exchanged a pink bubble gum because it was the Girl Gang version. Wasn't into it, and I also exchanged a smoked birch because I have I have 2 backups and I didn't feel like I needed 3 backups. So I got one of these instead. This is mahogany coconut, and I love the new marbled labels that they have that wrap all the way around. This one has silver in it. I don't know if you can see like real metallic throughout the label, and then it's like a beige color with gray, and there is orange striping in there, which, I mean, I'm not crazy about the orange, but that's fine. I got this candle for Jose. He loves the mahogany anything, and then mixed with coconut. This smells very beachy, but also kind of like you could use it year round. So these are not on sale, but Bath & Body Works will honor an exchange if you bring in a candle that you don't want and you would just prefer to exchange it for something else. So that is what I did here, and then I'm hoping not to blind you guys, but they do have the new lids that say White Barn across them. They're a little bit more upscale looking than the plain ones, so I'm a happy camper. I love the look of these candles, and I kind of like the scent too, but this was more so for Jose. The other one that I really wanted and was there for is this one, which is Pink Prosecco. And the jar is so cute. The light is going to drown it out for you guys, but it's just different shades of pink and kind of rose gold metallic in there. The candle itself, Pink Prosecco, the notes are Pink Lady Apple, Sparkling Prosecco, and Juicy Pear. This smells like a pear or an apple shampoo. That's basically what it smells like. It's soapy in a way. But the scent is nice, and I do pick up on the pear. Jose actually liked this one too. So yeah, this is a winner for me for the packaging alone. This will be so cute sitting out for Valentine's Day decor, Easter decor, summer decor, whatever. I do decorate with pops of blush and rose gold. You guys know that. So I was excited for this. The other 2 candles that I got were 50% off, and these are for the gift baskets that I'm going to be making as prizes for the bridal shower. I was really happy to find Sweet Spearmint. This smells like double mint gum. It's so nice. I can't see anybody not really liking this because it's just a nice, like, I don't know, unless like mint gum, not an astringent mint gum, a sweet mint gum. So, and the packaging is cute too. It has marble and gray wood grain. So this is going in one of the prizes. And then the other one is the ever so basic but good stress relief eucalyptus spearmint. This smells like a spa. And they were 50% off. Next, moving into body care, I did get 2 of these, and I did pop this one open to feel what it feels like, and it's okay. It's nothing really to write home about, but these are the Be Happy hand lotions. They looked like soaps to me, so I kept overlooking these until I watched other people's videos and realized they were hand lotions. So this is Vanilla Snowflake. That's a scent that I enjoy. It's just a simple vanilla scent, basically. You can use it year round. These were for Christmas, I guess, and I kept overlooking because I didn't, like, I thought they were like the leftovers from the fall time, but they were a whole new line. So I did get 2 of these. I want to just put these at my kitchen sink and probably my bathroom sink, just because my hands are so dry. After I wash my hands, I hate when I don't have any lotion, so that's where those are going to be going. And then kind of to go along with them, I got these 2. These are the honey hand soaps from the fall. A lot of people did not like these. I had no problem with these. It's just that none of the scents were exceptionally fall to me, and you guys know I'm a fall girl. Give me like fall or give me nothing at all, and these were not super fall. So this is salted honey and vanilla, a nice scent, but it just wasn't fall to me. So I got these. These will be fine to use in the spring, the summer, whatever, the end of the winter, and even though they're not the same, they look kind of like they're supposed to go together. So I got 2 of those. I also picked up this soap. This is Winter Sangria. This I am going to be giving to my dad with his birthday gift. His birthday is in a week or 2. When my parents bought their condo, there was a pomegranate soap left behind from Bath & Body Works, and they loved it, and they have been trying to get that scent, but they didn't come out with a pomegranate soap this year. So I had heard that this was similar to that, so I picked it up for him. I don't know if it is. It kind of smells the way that I remember that pomegranate soap smelling, and it also smells like frosted cranberry. If this is just frosted cranberry, I'm going to be slightly annoyed because they already have that soap, but I got this, and they do decorate with red, and since this doesn't have anything like distinctly Christmas on it, I think this is just going to fit very nicely into their home. I also picked up Vanilla Bean Noel Shower Gel. I actually got this about a week ago. I walked in and they had received, she said, 8 boxes of just Vanilla Bean Noel Shower Gel. I could not find this the first few days of SAS, so I bought 5 of them. Now, I've never had this in shower gel before, but I love the scent in the other forms, like the hand cream and the body butter and the fragrance mist. I didn't even bother to smell this, and this does not smell close to those at all. It's not nearly as good. I'm very disappointed in this. I'm kind of bummed out that I bought 5 because I don't have my receipt anymore. And so does anyone know if I can return these without a receipt? Because I would like to return the ones that I haven't used. I do have 1 bottle in my shower, and I won't return that one, but I have 4 that are unused. And it just has this note in it that I do not like. It must be musk or something, but yeah, I found these at 75% off. By the way, these soaps were 75% off. Original price is $7.50, so whatever 75% off is same thing with these. And then this was $3, so that was 50% off basically. Okay, next. I have never seen these before, but I thought they looked very interesting, this line. This is the Pure Simplicity line, and this is the Almond Milk Face and Body Refresher. It is alcohol-free, and it says it is formulated without parabens, sulfates, phthalates, petrolatum. I don't know. I don't know words. Artificial colors and gluten. It says our alcohol-free face and body mist refreshes skin and leaves it lightly scented. This product is vegan. So that's nice that it's vegan and it's formulated without those harsh things. And the packaging is very upscale. This looks like something I would see at Anthropologie, Williams-Sonoma, something like that. So how it looks outside of the box is very simple packaging. And this, I would imagine, is just like that Evian mist, or like a, not even a makeup setting spray, but just like the Evian mist that you spray your face with to freshen it up. So I got this to go with one of the prizes for the bridal shower. I also, to go along with that, got the body oil from the same line. This is almond milk. These are both, this one it says so too. These are both hypoallergenic, and this is formulated without all of the nasty things that the other one says it's not formulated with. So this just smells like almond. I do love body oils. I've never tried this one, but I love facial oil and body oil for the winter time for extra moisture, because my skin gets, not my face is kind of oily, but the rest of my skin gets so dry. So I thought that these are really cute to go together, and then I was gonna throw in this candle. And I also got a nice boxed bar soap and a loofah, and I'm gonna put them all in a basket with the shrink wrap and make it look really cute. So if you guys want to see a video on how I make the gift baskets, let me know. Now is the perfect time to go stock up for gift basket type things from Bath & Body Works. I also picked up the gingerbread latte hand cream or body cream. I really loved this scent when we picked it up as a gift for Jose's sister-in-law, but I just used it a little bit ago and it doesn't smell as nice when it dries down. It's still a good scent, but it just smells a lot better when you're like rubbing it into your hands. But this is like, you can always use a body cream. I like to have these at work. I like to have them in my car, in my purse, whatever. When you can get them 75% off, that's great, because they do kind of like go bad quickly. So if you don't finish them up, it's not like you spent the full $13. And then the last two items that I picked up are also for the gift baskets. I got the Birch and Argan body oil. This is another body oil. This one is a little bit cloudier. I'm not sure why, but it is. The notes on this are birch, argan, vanilla, and rum. And then I also got the spray, the argan and birch, or birch and argan spray, fine fragrance mist. I just sprayed it. I know that's bad, but it's a nice woody, outdoorsy but feminine scent. So these two are going in a gift basket, also with a boxed soap and a loofah with the spearmint candle. These, I mean, these look like they're made for each other. So that was my thought with those. So that is everything for this haul, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I know that my videos are pretty long as of lately, but I've been filming a lot less because there's a lot less for me to talk about. So I feel like I just kind of make up for it with chatting a whole lot during the videos. Hopefully you didn't mind. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see a winter decor tour, since I took all my Christmas stuff down and redecorated. Let me know if you want to see the gift baskets. I'm also going to be making a gift basket for like a housewarming kind of gift as well. So I might be able to put that all in one video if you're interested. I have a Grove collaborative order on the way too, so I may do an unboxing of that. I do have a lot that I can film if you guys are interested. So thank you guys again for watching. I hope you guys are having a really great start to your 2018. I love you guys so much. You made 2017 like a really good year. You guys were like one of the only good parts of 2017 besides my friends and family and my boyfriend and my dog. It wasn't the best year, but you guys made it and turned it around for me, so I want to thank you for that. And yeah, I will see you back in my next video. Bye guys.